As a small business, entrepreneur, or marketer, we spend tons of money on marketing to get more customers through online email search engines and maybe even TV and radio. We provide a great experience for our customers, and then hope they spread the word about us to their friends, family and colleagues through social networking. But hoping they refer us is no way to grow a business. How do you deliver a reliable ongoing flow of leads on target audiences most likely to buy from you? What if there is a better way to more effectively driving more qualified leads for your products and services? Introducing EasyExpo, Private Business Network Marketplace. EasyExpo helps every business to build your word-of-mouth ecosystem through targeted virtual trade shows, network with daily fresh content and daily deals. This is how it works. Instead of promoting just your own products and services, you help promote everyone's products and services, starting with your VIP customers and strategic suppliers and channel partners in a targeted virtual expo network marketplace. The virtual lobby is where you can showcase your brand through dynamic logo banner and top-ranking announcement, giving company with maximum visibility. When every exhibitor and sponsor spread the words about the Expo Network Marketplace, you are basically creating a word-of-mouth ecosystem around a targeted market with unlimited qualified leads every day. With this new virtual expo network, you can launch multiple expos at the same time for unlimited qualified traffic and lead generation. Let's say that you are a real estate broker. Instead of just promoting your real estate services, you can help promoting all your strategic partners' products or services. Companies like mortgage brokers, financial banks, insurances can all participate in the virtual expo network. A sponsor like a local bank can host their own complimentary virtual expo focusing on real estate loans and other investment services. Another sponsor like a home interior design can host their own complimentary virtual expo focusing on real estate home design and remodeling services with invitation to all the contractors. Companies can engage with the prospects through webinar and live chat in their virtual booth, lobby, or networking lounge. EasyExpo features a virtual auditorium for live streaming and on-demand archive video session for viewing anytime and place. Through EasyExpo, companies are able to jumpstart their business in their city, state and all across the country. EasyExpo can also offer ample import and export opportunity for global collaboration and company partnerships without geographical hindrances. Companies can now export their offerings not just locally, but globally. Our virtual collaborative expo network marketplace is revolutionizing the whole lead generation by delivering the most cost-effective solutions for higher ROI. You can jumpstart your business and boost your profits and sales now. For more information, please contact us at 1-888-718-5333 or email at sales@easyexpo.com and go to www.easyexpo.com. Thank you for your time.